After watching this, you'll never want to throw away coffee grounds again. Coffee beans are truly magical. Not only do they create a delicious dark drink that has been known to cure hangovers, but they also provide us with energy and help us stay awake during long nights. And as an added bonus, coffee grounds make excellent natural fertilizer for your household plants or garden. So next time you finish brewing a pot of coffee, don't mindlessly toss the used grounds in the trash, put them to good use instead. How to recycle coffee grounds in a bunch of ways you probably haven't considered. Number 1. Neutralize odors. Coffee grounds are excellent for removing odors. Simply put some in a bowl or container and leave it where you want to remove odors, like in the fridge overnight, to absorb all the bad smells. You may also fill sachets with coffee grounds and place them in gym bags, smelly shoes, or any other area that requires deodorizing. To get rid of the smell of onions or garlic, use coffee grounds after chopping them. Number 2. Tenderize meat. Adding coffee grounds to your food helps break down the tough connective tissue in meat, making it more tender and palatable. In addition, it provides a smooth texture. You can use coffee grounds as dry or wet rubs, or marinades. This will help you create tastier meals that are easier on your teeth and mouth. Number 3. Exfoliate your skin. Add a little bit of water or coconut oil to the coffee grounds and gently massage them over your legs, feet, and hands for a few minutes before rinsing off with warm water as needed. Repeat this process as often as necessary depending on how dry your skin is. Number 4. Scour your pots and pans. Coffee grounds are an effective and natural way to clean pots and pans. If food or grease is caked on a dish, coffee grounds can be used as a scrubbing agent instead of a scouring pad. Coffee grounds won't scratch your pots like steel wool and will leave them just as clean. You can also use coffee grounds to scrub your sink. Number 5. Fertilize your soil. Coffee grounds are an ideal addition to your garden soil, as they are rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and sulfur. This will help plants grow stronger roots while improving their overall health by providing essential nutrients needed for healthy growth. To use coffee grounds as a fertilizer for your plants, simply sprinkle some onto the soil. Number 6. Use it as a natural dye. If you're a dyer, try using coffee grounds as a natural dye for your hair, textiles, and other materials. Coffee grounds are an effective and safe alternative to artificial dyes, making them great for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals. The key to using coffee grounds as a dye is to mix it with hot water and then let it cool off before applying it to your material of choice. The longer you let them sit together, the darker the color will get. Number 7. Repel insects and pests. Sprinkling coffee grounds in your garden or around your home is an excellent way to naturally repel insects. They effectively deter ants, spiders, mosquitoes, fruit flies, and beetles. They may also help keep other pests away too, like slugs, snails, and rabbits. Number 8. Treat under eye circles. If you're looking for a home remedy to reduce puffiness, redness, and inflammation around the eyes, coffee grounds are an excellent option. They have anti-inflammatory qualities that can help with puffiness, redness, and inflammation. They're also known to help with fine lines and wrinkles. If you have dark circles beneath your eyes, try combining coffee grounds with some water or yogurt and applying it to the afflicted area. Leave it on for 5 minutes before rinsing off gently with cool water for optimum results. Repeat twice per week. Number 9. Repel fleas from your pet. Fleas are the bane of all pet owners. Fortunately, though, there are natural ways to repel them. And one way to do it is by using coffee grounds. All you have to do is mix 1 part coffee grounds with 2 parts water and rub your pets with this solution after shampooing. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing off completely and allowing your furry friends back outside where they can play safe from those pesky little bloodsuckers. Number 10. Compost it for later use. If you're brewing up a storm on a regular basis and have plenty of leftover coffee grounds, now is the perfect time to start composting at home. If you're not already doing it, simply toss the used coffee grounds into a compost bin with other organic materials such as vegetable scraps or leaves. Then put it outside in an area that receives both sunshine and rainwater so that it can break down naturally into rich soil fertilizer for your yard or garden beds. As you can see, coffee grounds can be used for more than just brewing a cup of coffee. If you enjoy drinking coffee every day, you'll soon have plenty of coffee grounds that could be put to good use instead of thrown away. Use the ideas as inspiration and let us know if you have any other suggestions. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.